Imagine our world suspended in the vastness of space, a silent spinning sphere of blue, white, and green, a vibrant oasis in the cosmic dark. It's a breathtaking view, isn't it? Now, let's zoom in, closer and closer. As we descend through the atmosphere, continents take shape, revealing their diverse landscapes. And suddenly, as we approach the surface, from every city and village, a burst of color erupts, a vibrant tapestry of symbols. Flags unfurl, catching the wind, hundreds of them, a kaleidoscope of designs, each a story, a declaration, a nation's soul meticulously woven into cloth, thread by thread. More than just fabric, they are distilled history, reflecting the struggles and triumphs, the hopes and dreams of a people. These banners tell us who we are, where we've been as a nation, and what we collectively aspire to be in the future. They flutter proudly in the winds of change, a constant reminder, yet connect us to a past etched in every thread, every carefully chosen color. Flags are powerful symbols. They can ignite wars, and just as powerfully they can end them, paving the way for peace. They can unite millions in moments of shared triumph or collective grief. A flag raised triumphantly over a newly liberated city signals a new reality, a turning point. Lowered solemnly to half-mast, it communicates shared sorrow and remembrance. From Europe's bold tricolors, steeped in history, to the vibrant and intricate designs of Africa and Asia, each flag is a unique code, a visual language. They speak volumes of revolutions, the hard-won fight for independence, and the breathtaking beauty of the land they represent. To truly understand a country, its people and its values, a great place to start is with its flag. It's an autobiography, condensed into powerful symbols and carefully chosen colors. Some flags are ancient, their roots deeply embedded in heraldry and tradition. Others are strikingly modern, born from the dramatic turmoil of the 20th century. We see crosses that speak of faith, crescents that echo ancient empires, stars that guide, and suns that illuminate. We see eagles representing strength, lions symbolizing courage, and tools representing both peace and the implements of war. Each and every element was carefully chosen for a specific reason, fiercely debated, and sometimes even fought for. Together, these are the visual anthems, the proud emblems of nearly 200 sovereign states across our planet. In this fascinating journey, we'll travel the globe, virtually of course, decoding these powerful emblems one by one. We'll uncover the captivating legends, the intricate politics, and the deeply personal human stories hidden behind these potent symbols. We'll ask intriguing questions. Why do so many Arab nations share the same striking four colors in their flags? And which flag boldly features a depiction of a building, or even a modern assault rifle? Flags are far more than just national branding exercises. They are, in fact, essential keys to understanding the complex interplay of power, the nuances of politics, and the evolving identity of our interconnected world. Our journey begins in the Americas, a vast and diverse landmass. Here the flags of many nations wave proudly, each a vibrant symbol, where flags tell stories. These flags whisper tales of indigenous empires, the trials of colonization, and the hard-won battles for independence. The United States Stars and Stripes is a global icon, instantly recognizable around the world. It features 13 stripes for the original colonies, a reminder of the nation's founding, and 50 stars, each representing a state in the Union. The colors themselves are steeped in meaning, colors for valor, purity, and justice. It's a living document, constantly evolving, growing with the nation and its ever-changing identity. Mexico's flag, a tricolor, stands as a proud emblem of national identity. It's a striking combination of green, white, and red. At its heart, the flag features an eagle and snake. This powerful image is derived from Aztec legend. It serves as a direct link to pre-Columbian roots, a connection to the ancient past. Moving south, we find that Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela share the Miranda tricolor, a symbol of unity and shared history. The vibrant yellow represents wealth and abundance. The deep blue evokes the vastness of the sea, and the bold red stands for the blood spilled for freedom and independence. While sharing the same core colors, each nation adds unique touches to their flag. Brazil's flag is a departure, a unique design that sets it apart. The prominent green symbolizes the lush forests, particularly the Amazon rainforest. The yellow diamond represents the nation's rich gold reserves. At the center, a blue celestial globe displays stars for each state. A banner across the globe bears the motto, Order and Progress. Each flag in the Americas is a tapestry, woven with threads of history and culture. They are powerful symbols of revolution, enduring legends, and unwavering aspiration. They reflect the continent's incredible diversity, a melting pot of cultures and traditions. They also represent a shared quest for liberty, a common desire for freedom and self-determination. From the Eagle of Mexico, soaring high, to Brazil's stars, shining bright, these banners are living links to history, connecting the present to the past. They unite millions, inspire pride in their nation, and tell the story of a hemisphere rich in history and culture. It's a story shaped by struggle, resilience, and enduring hope for a better future. In every thread, the America's flags reveal the soul of their nations, their dreams, and their identities. Europe's flags are shaped by centuries of kingdoms, revolutions, and religious conflict. The French tricolor, blue, white, red, sparked a global wave of liberty and inspired countless nations. The Christian cross dominates Scandinavia, with Denmark's Dannebrog, Sweden's blue and yellow, and Norway's layered cross reflecting unions in history. The United Kingdom's union Jack is a complex union of 3 crosses, symbolizing England, Scotland, and Ireland. Switzerland's square flag and Albania's double-headed eagle break the mold, each rooted in medieval legend and resistance. Not all flags follow the same patterns, but each is a visual record of Europe's turbulent past. These banners are more than symbols. They are the legacy of revolutions, unions, and the enduring quest for identity. In Europe, every flag is a chapter in a long, dramatic story. Across the African continent, a kaleidoscope of colors dances in the wind. Africa's flags are a vibrant celebration, a visual symphony of identity and aspiration. They represent hard-won independence, the promise of natural wealth, and the enduring dream of unity. Each color, each symbol tells a story. Many flags proudly incorporate Pan-African colors, green, yellow, red, echoing Ethiopia's historical legacy of resistance against colonialism, a beacon of hope for the continent. Others feature red, black, and green, colors popularized by the influential Marcus Garvey and his vision of a united Africa. Ghana's flag, designed by Theodosia Oko, was the first, with green representing the lush forests, gold symbolizing the abundant mineral wealth, red standing for the bloodshed during the struggle for independence, and a black star, a guiding light for emancipation and African pride. Kenya's flag boldly adds a Maasai shield and crossed spears, powerfully symbolizing the defense of freedom and the nation's sovereignty. South Africa's modern flag, adopted after apartheid, with its distinctive Y shape and harmonious blend of colors, beautifully represents the long-sought unity after the divisions of apartheid, a testament to the Rainbow Nation and its diverse people. Mozambique's flag uniquely and boldly features an AK-47 rifle and a hoe, directly symbolizing the nation's defense and its commitment to agriculture. Botswana's serene blue, black, and white flag elegantly stands for the precious water resources and the ideal of racial harmony. Each flag is more than just cloth and color. It's a powerful statement of sovereignty, a testament to past struggles, and a beacon of hope for the future. Africa's banners are deeply rooted in cultural identity, reflecting the unique heritage of each nation, telling compelling stories of liberation, resilience, and the ongoing pursuit of unity. They are vibrant emblems of a continent confidently forging its own path on the world stage. Asia's flags reflect ancient civilizations, faith, and modern politics. Pan-Arab colors, black, white, green, red, unite many Middle Eastern flags echoing the Arab Revolt. Saudi Arabia's flag bears the Islamic creed and a sword. Israel's features the Star of David, India's the Ashoka Chakra. East Asia favors minimalism, Japan's red sun disk symbolizing Amaterasu, South Korea's Taegukgi with Taoist symbols for balance. China's flag with one large star and 4 smaller ones represents the Communist Party and unity. Vietnam's yellow star stands for the people's classes. These flags are not just national symbols, they are political manifestos and spiritual emblems. Each design is a blend of history, ideology, and faith. Asia's banners tell stories of empires, revolutions, and the enduring power of belief. They are visual testaments to the continent's complexity and diversity. In every flag, Asia's past and present are woven together. Oceania's flags speak of navigation, colonial heritage, and the Southern Cross. Australia's flag features the Union Jack, the Commonwealth Star, and the Southern Cross, symbols of history and geography. New Zealand's flag is similar, but with 4 red stars and no Commonwealth Star, sparking debates about identity. Papua New Guinea's flag, designed by a schoolgirl, combines the Southern Cross and a bird of paradise, modern yet rooted in tradition. Kiribati's flag shows a golden frigate bird over a rising sun and wavy lines for the Pacific Ocean and island groups. Island nations use vibrant colors and symbols to reflect their environment and culture. These flags capture the essence of life defined by the sea and sky. Oceania's banners are stories of exploration, resilience, and identity. They unite diverse peoples across vast distances. In the southern hemisphere, the stars guide both mariners and nations. Flags often come in families, near identical twins shaped by shared history or inspiration. Romania and Chad both fly blue-yellow-red tricolors, nearly indistinguishable except for shade. Indonesia and Monaco share a red-over-white bicolor, only proportions differ, with Indonesia's design rooted in ancient empires. Ireland and Ivory Coast are mirrored tricolors, green-white-orange and orange-white-green, each color loaded with meaning. The Netherlands and Luxembourg both use red-white-blue stripes, but Luxembourg's blue is lighter, a subtle assertion of independence. These similarities are rarely accidental. They reflect alliances, revolutions, and cultural exchange. Even small differences, shade, order, or symbol, can define a nation's identity. In vexillology, every detail matters. Flags are more than decoration, they are declarations of sovereignty and history. The world's banners remind us that identity is both shared and fiercely unique. In the world of flags, even twins tell different stories. Flags began as battlefield markers, vexilloids, animal totems, and standards to rally troops. Over time, they evolved into heraldic banners, then national symbols as revolutions swept the world. The American and French revolutions transformed flags into emblems of the people, not just rulers. As new nations emerged, designing a flag became a vital act of statehood. Today, flags are everywhere. Waved at sports events, raised in triumph, lowered in mourning. They appear in art, fashion, and advertising, sometimes sparking debate over respect and meaning. Flags are deeply embedded in our collective consciousness. They communicate identity, pride, and unity in every context. From ancient battlefields to Olympic podiums, the flag's role has never stopped evolving. A simple piece of cloth, now a powerful emblem of who we are. We've journeyed across the globe, discovering how flags carry history, dreams, and the soul of a people. Each flag with its colors and symbols tells a unique story of land, faith, struggle, and hope. They mark our differences and define our sovereignty, but also reveal shared themes of liberty and peace. When all flags fly together, we see unity in diversity, a tapestry of nations, equal under one sky. These banners are more than decoration. They are the stories we tell about ourselves. Next time you see a flag, think of the people, history, and aspirations it represents. By understanding these symbols, we learn about the world and ourselves. Flags are the threads that bind humanity's complex, beautiful tapestry.